Hi, welcome to Nagesh Biology online classes. Those who have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, like and share to your friends. Now I am going to give the list of questions which are deleted for IP exam. It is the board exam, theoretical exam. 2021-22 academic year, the subject botany, the deleted 30% syllabus. So it is part 2, already part 1 uploaded, deleted questions from the living world chapter. Now I am going to give the list of questions which are deleted, especially in the morphology of flowering plants. Very short answer questions. Whatever I am going to say few questions which are deleted for only this academic year. First, very short answer questions, 2 mark questions. First question, differentiate fibrous roots from adventitious roots. That is the very short answer question, 2 mark question, that is deleted. Second question, define modification, root modification found in banyan tree and mangrove plants. What type of modification found in banyan tree and mangrove plants? That is also deleted. Next, what type of specialized roots are found in epiphytic plants? What is their function? This question also deleted. Fourth question, how does the sucker of chrysanthemum differ from the stolon of jasmine? This is the one more question, that is also deleted. Fifth question, what is meant by pulvinous leaf base? In which type of family you can find this type of pulvinous leaf base? That is also deleted. Sixth question, define venation, type of venation found in dicot and monocot plants. That is also deleted. Now, how pinnately compound leaf is different from palmately compound leaf with examples. This question also deleted. Eighth question, which organ is modified to trap insects in insectivorous plants? Give examples. That is also deleted. Next, what is meant by parthenocarpic fruit? How is it useful? Parthenocarpic fruit question also deleted. Now, in very short answer questions part, 18th to 26, that is 2 mark questions, total completely deleted from 18th to 26. 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. All these questions from 18 to 26 completely deleted. So because 18 to 26 questions, they related to fruit, seed and embryo related questions. All these questions deleted. Whatever questions just now I told here, all these questions deleted for IP exam. So these questions no need to prepare for IP exam. Short answer questions are 4 mark questions. First, explain different regions of root with neat label diagram. Different regions of root, meristematic elongation, maturation regions of root, that 4 mark question deleted. Justify the statement underground parts of plants are not always roots. This is one more 4 mark question, that is also deleted. Third question, explain with examples of different types of phyllotaxy. There are different types of phyllotaxy and examples are there, that is also deleted. How leaf modifications helps plants, that is leaf modifications, different types of leaf modifications and examples are there, that is also deleted, no need to prepare for exam. Describe in brief fleshy fruits you studied, describe with examples the various dry fruits you studied. All these questions are completely deleted. Deleted 4 mark questions. These questions no need to learn for this IP exam. Now, long answer questions, there are total 3 long answer questions are there in this chapter. 2 questions are deleted. First, define root, types of roots and various different types of root modifications, that is also deleted. Next, explain how stem modified variously to perform different functions. This is the stem modifications are there, underground, aerial, subaerial stem modifications, that is also deleted. In this chapter, 3 long answer questions are there, 2 completely deleted, that is root and stem modifications. You cannot expect in final IP exam, especially in 2021-22 academic year, only one question is there. That is racemose inflorescence. Describe about various different types of racemose inflorescence. That is very important. That is not deleted. Racemose inflorescence question is there. That is not deleted for this IP exam. Only deleted questions. So here these two questions only deleted for IP exam. So that's why here you must note down the questions, the whatever questions deleted. So for IP exam, then so remaining questions if you will study, you will get so 60 out of 60 in botany.